Hello everyone.
Yeah.
Today I'm going to play only with my son. We're going to play Baldi's Basics roleplay.
This is a scary Baldi.
It's loading.
Oh. The loading. Nope.
Welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning.
Why I am white? I can. Oh, I can change. I can put some clothes on. Where are you? This is you?
I'm fast.
Why I'm fast also?
I wanna
Which
be Baldi.
characters we can
I
be?
wanna be Baldi.
You want to be Baldi?
Yeah.
And I want to be this funny sock.
Look, I'm outside.
Why are you outside?
Because
You are. Wait for me.
I have something on my hand.
Wait for me.
There's some bus. I'm
Easter
going on
badge.
bus. Yeah, I'm going on bus. Bye-bye. See you later.
See you later.
No, I'm gone. I left.
I will be this funny sock. It's so funny.
I can. Ears you can choose.
This one looks good.
Yep.
Oh, look at me.
Let's come. Come on.
Oh, some Freddy looks like a Baldi. Why I'm so big and you are so small?
Come on, let's go in.
I can open mouth. Wait. Oh, close mouth. Run. Ding, 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 ding. Woo.
Come in.
Hello.
Here's the
Why you
Baldi
look like this?
basics. Where's Ethan? Everyone. Ethan.
What's okay? What we have to do? I'm in the
What
playground. Yay!
You out? You outside?
In the playground. Do you want a book? It's a library. I'm in a library.
Where are you?
I don't know. Honestly, I have no. Again, I'm in the library.
In. Left. In.
Left. Okay.
If. What is that?
I think it was Baldi.
Yep. Small Baldi.
No, this is some guy.
Let's go.
This is wrong game. We are leaving. Bye.
Bye, Baldi.
Okay, backpacks. Click backpacks to get one for free. Okay. Play a game for 4 quarters.
There is Baldi.
Do you want to play student? Yes.
I want to be this. Because I want to be this.
What is this? What is this? What?
I'm Baldi. I'm Baldi.
You are Baldi. Are you chasing me now?
Nope.
Are you going to kill me now?
Yeah. Hey.
What is this? Who shot me? With some mark.
I'm angry.
Why I have black mark on my face? How I will clean this one? Thank you so much. And who did that, by the way? Who did that?
This
You have won 4 free quarters. Come back tomorrow for
died.
more.
I died.
I won.
I died.
Help room. How to play?
I want to be.
Oh, Baldi ball pit. I want to be a student.
Oh, Baldi.
You are Baldi again?
No. Baldi's died.
What do you mean died?
Baldi's died.
Nay.
He
Collect
died.
what? I can click to collect.
Baldi. Look. Baldi's look.
Okay, now.
I want to be Baldi.
Okay.
Look.
Now I'm
The sun
stuck.
set.
The third question was a trick, and I don't know the answer.
Where are
Let's
you?
run away.
Where I am? Where I am?
Again. Oh, they are doing this on purpose.
I'm here.
Why are you following me? Because?
Oh.
How dare you?
How dare you?
We both died.
Yeah, I died.
We both died. Nobody wants to be the Hello, who are you? Look at this. Click to collect.
Hi, boy.
See? Answer. What's the answer? Okay, let's go out from this game. Okay, let's try Baldi Obi.
Okay, let's play. Obi is so art.
I can be a Spider-Man
Or you can.
or Batman. You want to be a Captain America?
No,
I don't. Oh, you're Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
I'm not good in obis.
Look,
Fantastic.
look, fast tank.
Look what I just did.
Look, fast tank. Look, I'm good. Oh.
You are good. I can
Look,
see.
you need to press this.
I know, but I'm not good in jumping. Ah! I'm just falling. Okay, let's try one more time.
This is art.
You are very far away. See? Oh, I think it needs practice.
I'm so art.
Mm.
For me, it's good.
You are doing so good.
Not the fish and what? No, this is art. Wait.
Look, I managed. Little bit. I managed first part. Now I'm going slow because I'm very, very scared of falling.
I want to play this game. No,
I saw you fall.
this is just
Oh, wow. Let's say if I die right now,
a giant.
I will appear over here so I can continue. Right or wrong?
How this is art game? I just
It's not that
managed.
much hard. It just
just
needs a little
managed.
practice. That's it. Okay, now I have to jump over.
Nope, I
exactly.
died.
Exactly. See where I'm going to appear? I thought I will appear over here.
How I can go back?
Yes.
What?
Do you think we can make this?
No,
No?
Nope.
Think it's hard?
I just fall.
Again.
Again, I just fall.
Again, you fell down. I can see how people are just falling.
Oh, I'm not falling that.
Oh, I'm falling. You too. we both fall.
Yeah. Now I need to start beginning.
No. Here I have to go to the Lego.
You don't can step here because you can die.
Okay, I will be careful.
Or you can.
You are much farther than me.
No, the small one.
So I will tell you. I'm jumping now on color. Red color. And fall.
I'm not falling.
You are doing good job. You are doing...
I just fall.
You just fell.
Yes.
Again. Red color. Blue color. Now tell me which color is this one. I jump. What is this color?
This color is green.
Correct. Which color is this one?
This one is yellow.
Which color is this one?
This one is red.
Correct. And now the stars?
This,
Green star, blue, red,
yeah, good.
yellow,
That time I'm not falling.
green again,
I just fall.
blue,
fall.
and red. The colors are same again and again. Hello. I'm right behind you. See?
Hey.
I'm getting faster. But this one is quite thin to walk on. You still like to play this?
Yeah.
Really? It's quite long. Look how long is it. I can see you. Hello. Morphs. Oh wow, I'm standing on your head. Or who is this guy? What a sound.
No. Ice cream shop.
What is this?
Ice cream
I'm
shop.
angry. What is this?
I'm
It's not good game. No. Mm-mm-mm. Okay guys, we tried few games with Baldi and we really did not enjoy much. The obi was good, just
I'm not
it's
playing
too
this
long
game.
because it's quite a big obi. Thank you for watching this video. We will try to play something more interesting, right? Okay
this game.
guys, bye.
Bye.